Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into the latest developments from Tarte Capital, a firm known for its strategic investments in niche industries. We'll explore how Tarte Capital is expanding its portfolio with two category-defining companies, TPD Design House and Genergy, and what this means for the future of luxury events and utilities infrastructure management. Stay tuned as we unpack the details and implications of these exciting investments. For 25 years, Tarte Capital has invested in founder-run companies operating in niche, relationship-driven industries that need operational support to expand their market footprint. As the firm enters a new chapter of growth, its latest portfolio companies are hitting their stride. Amongst the select companies in the Tarte Capital portfolio, they all have developed proven track records in the areas of quality and customer service. These companies are often run by teams with real culture and craft, but require additional operational infrastructure or financial resources to scale. That thesis is playing out in real time across two current investments. TPD Design House, a full-service creative agency headquartered in Wayne, Pennsylvania, joined the Tarte family office earlier this year following a Chapter 11 court-approved sale. The agency specializes in luxury event design and production, brand visual identity, bespoke invitation suites, gifting, and web design and development. TPD's clients span Fortune 500 companies, media moguls, sought-after event planners, and the private individuals they serve. With the backing of Tarte Capital, TPD will be expanding its team and creative capabilities, including new investments in state-of-the-art production equipment. These investments will allow TPD to continue to serve even the most creative ambitions of their legacy clients. TPD Design House spent 26 years delivering the highest standard in service as a best-in-class design partner to the biggest names in the event industry. TPD is now better positioned to serve its distinguished clientele for many years to come and set new historic examples of craftsmanship and design in a rapidly growing industry of luxury events. Evan Tarte, Chief Financial Officer concurrent with the TPD investment, Tarte Family Office Portfolio Company Genergy, a premier utilities infrastructure management firm serving blue-chip property owners across the greater New York City area and South Florida, and part of the portfolio since 2020, this week announced its own acquisition of Utility Research Associates, one of the Northeast's most respected providers of utility billing, utility data management, and submetering services. The acquisition combines a Utility Research Associates' trusted client relationships with Genergy's engineering and technology platform, expanding Genergy's utility data services, and giving Utility Research Associates clients access to a broader range of engineering, infrastructure management, and compliance, energy procurement, and technology solutions. Dario Gristina and the Genergy team have built something exceptional, and this acquisition is exactly the kind of growth that we set out to support when we partnered with Genergy last year. Bringing Utility Research Associates relationships together with Genergy's engineering and technology platform means more accurate, timely service for clients, and additional insights to allow clients to increase their recoveries and reduce wasted utility spending. Evan Tarte, Chief Financial Officer. Since 2001, the Tarte family office has acquired or been part of acquisition groups that have purchased over 20 companies across industries, exiting those businesses for a combined value exceeding $750 million. The firm's current portfolio spans design and branding, luxury events, and energy and utility technology, with TPD Design House and Genergy representing its newest and most active investments. Evan Tarte will continue to steward growth across the portfolio through strategic acquisitions, technology investments, and operational expansion, deepening the firm's expertise across technology and data, energy, hospitality, and experiential marketing. Companies like TPD and Genergy built real, durable value long before we were involved. Our job is to make sure the financial and operational foundation underneath them is as strong as the work they're known for. Evan Tarte, Chief Financial Officer. About the Tarte Family Office. The Tarte Family Office is the private investment vehicle of Scott Tarte, a Philadelphia area entrepreneur with more than 3 decades of experience acquiring, building, and selling companies. Since 2001, the Tarte family office has acquired or co-acquired more than 20 companies across industries, including travel services, experiential marketing, hospitality, and energy, exiting those businesses for a combined value in excess of $750 million. About TPD Design House. TPD Design House is a full-service creative agency with nearly 3 decades of experience delivering elevated design solutions for the world's most discerning brands and clients. Headquartered in Wayne, Pennsylvania, the agency specializes in luxury event design and production, brand visual identity, bespoke invitation suites, gifting experiences, influencer packaging, and web design and development. About Genergy. Genergy is a premier utilities infrastructure management firm specializing in advanced electrical metering, real-time monitoring, and utility billing services, helping blue-chip property managers recover utility costs, ensure regulatory compliance, and meet sustainability goals. Genergy's primary operations are in the greater New York City area in South Florida.